Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Finally, I am going to plant my roses today in this beautiful arbor. So, I have the climbing rose from Westerland, or it's Westerland. It's going to grow from 10 to 8 inches, so all the way out to the top. And it will bloom from spring, summer, and fall. This is perfect in here because we got full sun in this area. Same with the other one. So the color of it, look at the color. It's so beautiful. Look at that. And it has a strong fragrance on it. And then we have this climbing rose. It's called New Down. I choose to plant it in this side because I have the royal blue clematis in there, so it would be a perfect match for it. So we are going to plant it right now. All right, so we're going to dig a hole in here. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna put the dirt over right here for now. Let me see how this is gonna look like in here. That would be good enough. So I am using this organic bone meal fertilizer. So it's good for building a strong frame starting from the roots. So this is perfect for this. So we'll just put some right here around it. And one of my subscriber, Rosemary, if you are watching, she told me to put some banana on when I plant my rose. So I'm doing that right now, including the eggshells as well. Okay, so here it is. So I got this from Lowe's for $14.99. So it says in here that it will grow from 10 to 12 inches. It will bloom from spring, summer, and fall, and it has a strong fragrance. It needs full sun, and yep, ideal for the fence, which is I have the arbor in here. All right, so we're just gonna tip it slowly. Hopefully I will not damage the roots in here, because there we go, we got it. Oh wow, look at that. See, it has a really healthy roots. So we're just gonna place it right here. There we go. And then I'm gonna add more bone meal around it. All right, so now we can throw the dirt back. There you go. There you go. That's it. We have one rose down. So So we're going to the other side and plant the other one. So this is the climbing rose new down. It will grow from 8 to 10 inches, and it will bloom from spring, summer, and fall as well, and it has a good fragrance. You need full sun, which is perfect on this area as well. It will climb through the arbor, and it will be a perfect match for the royal blue clematis. So alright, so we're gonna add the eggshells in the banana peel. Then we'll add the bone meal. Alrighty, there we go. Oh wow, it's really dry. I forgot to water it maybe, but look at this. The wood are so big and it's already starting to grow nicely. So I'll just place this right here. Oops, maybe this way. Yeah, that way. Let me see. That's better. Alrighty, more bone meal around it. Then we'll just cover it up. Oops. Look at this, I have the onion from last year. All right, there we go. So that's it for today. We have planted 2 climbing roses and I can't wait for it to fill this arbor. All right, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye!